let's just see what it's going to look like when we put some flowers in here. I want to really, so I kind of am going for the boho type look. I guess I already got that. I don't want anything too dark. So when I ordered these, I only ordered 12 because I didn't want to do the final one with flowers or anything because some people may not like the flowers. So there will be an upsell if I have to put flowers on them, but I'm going to show you what they look like. We're just going to add in very softly to begin with. I have already sealed this one, so normally it wouldn't take me as much paint. Kathy, I'm selling them right now. I'm going to tell you the prices on them as soon as we get some more people on, because I know you guys don't want to hear me over and over. Right, I'm going to use a dusty pink and cloudy sky. Let's use some pink, some blue, and what other color? I didn't ask her what colors to use. Pink, blue. Don't have a really soft yellow, but I can mix one up. Let's try that. Yeah, you can see this, can't you? Some pink ones here and there. So I should have put my first layer in here so you didn't have to wait so long. Let's put a blue one in here. But we're going for a very subtle look. I don't want to overpower it with a lot of color. I may even turn that down a little bit more with some white. And I'm really going to power down this yellow. Where do I want that? Oh. Okay. So we got to dry all that up. And look what I got for them today. Let's see. I just painted it, so it should be, oh, here it is. Look for this. All right. Let me tilt you up again because I got some cow tags off of Amazon to show you how they will look. Hi, Pia. I did not get 10-inch. I am so sorry. I only got 8-inch and 6-inch. When I ordered these, it was like a month ago. It's been a long time. I thought that 8-inch was more popular than the 10-inch, but apparently not. So I may order more. But if you want a little cow tag to place right there, and then I can personalize it with a name if you wanted. So let me show you what I got. Let me check my price. I don't know what I paid for them, actually. Okay, so we've got the big one. They are $40 for the 18-inch. And then we have the 8-inch, and we have a smaller 6-inch. Hold on, can't remember anything. I had a pad here. And of course, I didn't look for it before I went live. Okay, you ready for the deal of the day? All right, so if you buy, tonight only while I'm live, if you buy the big one, which is $40, it does not come with the flowers. I have to charge more if I have to paint flowers on it. But as it is, they are $40, and you get a free 6-inch if you order the big one. So, yeah, you get a, and these would be good to put like on an easel. You could put a magnet on the back of it. You could put, this is why I'm doing these small ones, is because I'm going to hang jute on them, and I'm going to have a farmhouse Christmas tree this year. If I put one up. That's if I put one up. But I think they would be really cute for that. I know, Tammy, I knew that after I got them. I couldn't remember what I had ordered, but I only got 8-inch. So the 8 inches are $10 plus shipping. Shipping's going to be about $4. Hold on, let me get it out of the... They package these really well. Actually, hold on. Oh, actually, these are $8 for the 8-inch, and they are $8 for the 8-inch. That would make it a lot easier. And we'll make them $5 for the 6-inch. Oh, they are 6 inches, right? Maybe I should have done my math. Okay, so the 6 inches are $5 for a 6-inch. 6-inch is $5. Let me write that down. The 8-inch is $8, and the 18-inch is $40. So that's what they are. Okay, the good news over all of that is I don't know if I have enough to wholesale. I got 50 of those smaller ones. So if you want to buy them in wholesale, I can do that as well. I can order them in 10 inches. I got to pay for all of these first. An 8-inch and a 6-inch, I can do that for you. I do not know what these flowers are going to cost, first of all. It's going to be about $15 added. Depending, it's not going to be over 15 because I don't know how long they're going to take me to paint, actually, because I haven't done one yet. And let's see what they're going to look like before you commit to one. So $8 and $5 and $40 for the big ones. Next time, These 40 inches are really big. I don't know that I will order 40 inches again. I think I may take them down to like 16 inches. I mean, because these are big. They take up, I wonder if I can show you this on a door. Probably won't show up as well. But when you put it on a door, I didn't have the box in the way. All right. So can you see that? Because I can't see that far into my screen. But actually, it's pretty good size on your door. Actually, it is a good size. Maybe I do like them more than I thought. It is a good size. I thought they were too big when I saw them, but I'm good with them. I think that they are perfect. Oh, hello, Adam Mansfield. Is that you or Michelle? You aren't on replay. We are live at this moment. So it does look good on the door, so I do like that size now. I was thinking they would be too big. And if you're crafty and you can make a bow, it'd look really good. Trying to think. I left a little bit of room up here. I may play around with lettering like welcome on it. I didn't want to put just any saying on there because some people may not want a certain saying, so let's see what these flowers are going to look like. They shouldn't take too long. Ooh, they're looking pretty though. I have to do a project tonight on Craft Around the Clock. I'm going to have to practice. I'm going to go into my private group and practice a project because I'm not sure if it would work. Otherwise, I've got another Dollar Tree makeover for you. Did you guys see my post today on my page? I went through what we came up on my memories, a craft show that we did in St. Charles, Missouri in August of 2018. That was about one of our last craft shows that we did. And I compared it to selling online. And when I look at that, I'm like, holy cow. My booth is big, as you can see in there. It's at least an 8-hour setup, driving through the night because you got to get there and you got to set up, you know, before people get on the street. The expense of going to a motel, that show was the worst because you had to park. It was a long ways. It was over a mile away. And then when we needed more product, my husband would have to wheel it up on a dolly. One year it was so hot. Usually I can't handle the heat, but he had to take numerous breaks because it was just so hot outside. And so I sat there and I thought, I did all that work. I sell my stuff for more money now online than I did then. And it's just, when you add up all those expenses that when you have to sell handmade items and you got to come up with $600 or $700 of it before you start making a profit, that's just like insane. I am so glad that things changed. I mean, oh. And my husband every once in a while, oh, if I had so many of these, I could sell out at a show. And it's like, We are done. Quit saying that. I am done. Holy cow. The events, my kids had to miss birthday parties and slumber parties and take them out of school early and answer to the principal why you have to take your kids out early. And they let us take them out of school 5 days out of the year to go to craft shows. So we were usually at the craft shows late. And then if you broke down, which happened to us a few times, and you know what? They didn't give you your money back if you were sick and couldn't make it to the show. You didn't get any money back for any reason. If you couldn't make it, you just had to eat it. They're pretty. They are so pretty. Let's see how quick I can do them so that they don't, so I can do a few more of them. Am I the only person who doesn't have burnt umber in this world? Where I have to go early and order my cabinets. And then drop into Hobby Lobby real quick. One, they've got, oops, that big old string. They have brushes on clearance. And I need burnt umber badly. Just add a few. Let that dry up, and then we can add some shading to it.